Science parks today are different to what they have been in the past. We've found that the whole idea of bringing talent, technology and finance together into a geographic location has worked for generations, bringing clusters together of those expertise that are necessary to drive the knowledge economy. Parks of the future start to need to address the way in which the entrepreneurs of the future are going to work. We're going to find that they will be wanting to be much more mobile. They'll utilize the technologies of today to drive their communication platforms, to find new ways of collaborating over great distances. We'll have micro businesses, businesses of 2 or 3 people that are running international activities. So if a science park is going to be made ready to help them, then we have to find a way of making our offering different. One of the approaches that we're looking at here, we're calling iCentrum, and it addresses the concept of the science park without walls. The science park without walls takes the modern video communication platforms and uses them to link people with ideas, people with experience, people with money together to actually drive the new economies. That means we need to link to like-minded centres across the world, not just across the world, across the nation, across the region. So within the West Midlands there are 7 science parks. Those parks can link together and find a way of working and collaborating to support the businesses that are on their patch. At a national level we can bring expertise from London, from Birmingham, from Cambridge, from Manchester together to help the individual deliver his aspirations for his new business. At a European level, we start to look at ways in which we can join the cities across Europe to drive some of the European agendas of cross-border collaboration to drive the innovation agenda. And then we can link to places in the US, the obvious one being Silicon Valley, so that we can bring expertise and experience that have driven multi-billion-dollar businesses and actually help them encourage start-up businesses in places like Birmingham. Places like Birmingham where new economies are needed to be developed, new economies that replace the old manufacturing economies, replace in the sense of adding to, diversifying, not just straightforward replacement. That is where I think the science parks need to be for the future. We need to drive that opportunity to innovate through partnership, and partnerships that are not bound by geographies.